Can barely walk. It's too cute. Diesel.
But I left my gun outside. Yeah. Get your gun. Hold that on there.
Life is like that. Sometimes at the height of our revelries, when our joy is at its zenith, when all is most right with the world, the most unthinkable disasters descend upon us.
Gabby. This is what happens when Diesel finds the laser.
Come here, Felix. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Come here, bud. Come here. Felix. Come here, dude. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Come here. I got a treat here for you, bud. Come here. Come here.
Go get a treat.
Come here, dude.
Oh, he's coming fast. You're missing it. Oh.